Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from Hun-Cut Industries. You haven't really seen the living area yet, so it's time to have a look inside. Inside is still original. I haven't done anything apart from I used to have a trailer and put all my gears inside, so even if I wanted to, I couldn't do a proper video for you how it looks inside, but I just tidied up recently, so you can have a look what we got. Start doing soon. Yeah, that's what we have to deal with. Just put a temporary curtain just to keep the dust out of the living area. So I think now, drum roll. So that's where we are now. Everything is sort of the way I bought it. So we got this bench around the storage above. All of these. Four-hob cooker underneath this mess. I'm not sure I'm gonna redo it, refurb it or replace it. Let's see how it works. Sink and tap. I think I'm gonna replace that to a bigger one. Below we got a fridge. And some storage down there. On the left hand side we got this oven. I'm not sure it's working or not. The plan is to get rid of it and put a microwave instead. I think more likely we're going to use a microwave than an oven. So what I think, if I would get rid of the bottom of this cupboard, I'm gonna build a table which is drop down to level, and the bed which is extendable. It's gonna be a nice big sleeping area. And also we got this shower. It's covered with lino. That's all gonna come out. Probably gonna use lino, or we'll see. Mirror thing. So we got a toilet down there. And a double bed just above the cab. Yeah, all my gear is there. Extra materials what I'm planning to use. So that's it. that was it for today. Thank you so much for joining. Before you leave, please check out the InkHearts web shop, our newest Mitsubishi motorhome design available online. Please check them out. See you next time.